Let's get started. So you can see my Excel spreadsheet and you have a lot of data over here. So when I just scroll down, you can see the header information is also scrolled up. So you cannot be able to understand what was the header. Alright, so our requirement over here is that we do not want this header information to go. So to freeze that header, what we do is you just go to View. So this I'm using a MacBook. So in Mac, you just need to go to View and click on Freeze Top Row. Okay, so once you clicked on it and now you scroll, you can see your header is just where it is. So it's not moving. Okay, so you can do it by clicking on the freeze top row, so it will get freeze. And similarly, if you want to unfreeze it, just click on unfreeze. Okay, so now it's unfreezed. So now my requirement is that I want to keep the word information in column A to be just where it is, so it should not move when I just scroll towards my left. So let's do that. So I have this option freeze first column. I'll click on it. So once I clicked it, you will see a thick line drawn over here. And now if you go ahead and scroll towards the left, so you can see the column A is not getting scrolled. So you have freeze the column A. Let's say that I want to freeze uh, row number 1, that is the header, as well as I want to freeze the column. Okay, in order to do that, first let me unfreeze this panes. Okay, I will just keep the active shell on row number 2, column B. Okay, so what it says that I want to freeze the rows which is towards the left of the selection and towards the top of the selection. So when I click on this active shell and I click on freeze panes, okay, and if I scroll down, you can see the header information is still there. And if I scroll towards my left, the first column is still intact. It's not getting scrolled. Okay, so that was about how you can freeze the top row, how you can freeze first column, and how you can freeze both top row as well as the first column. So thank you guys for watching this video. Bye bye.